Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to make rice in the simplest way I know how. If you like your rice looking like this, just stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Now guys, I'm just using this cup as a basic guide to help you. Now I've gone in with 3 cups of rice. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to simply wash my rice. Now this is done to get rid of the excess starch in the rice. As you can see from the water is very cloudy, so just washed it a few times just to get rid of that. Now you can do it in a bowl, or what you can do is, if you have a big enough strainer, you can put it in a strainer and just run it under the tap. Give it a shake, give it a wash, just rub it up a bit, shake up the sieve a bit until that water runs relatively clear. Now once you've done this, just transfer your rice into a pot. I went in with 2.5 cups of water. I could have gone in with 3, but I like to add less water. Now for me, when I'm cooking, I rather go in with less than too much, because you can always adjust it. Now all I'm going to do is just simply season my rice with about half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to go in with some unsalted butter. This is about 25 grams of butter. And also I like to have a little bit of spring onions in my rice. Now once you've done that, give it a stir, cover the pot and leave it on medium heat for roughly about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, what I like to do is go in with a fork and just stir around the pot just to distribute that butter evenly. Cover again and leave it for about another 6 minutes. After about 6 minutes, I like to go in with a bit of foil over the rice, and what this does, it helps to steam the rice. Now at this point, turn your stove down to low as you can get your stove. Turn it down and just leave the rice to just steam through. Now this process normally takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Halfway through this, I like to go again with my fork just to go through the rice to make sure that all the bits are cooked. You can see there, guys, my rice is ready. But I do like to just go through just to make sure all the grains are cooked properly. Now if your grains are not cooked properly, if you see that you have some that's looking a bit cooked, some that's not looking a bit cooked, what you can do is just put about a teaspoon or 2 of water in the pot, cover that again with foil paper and just leave it for about another 5-6 minutes. Now after this time, rice is ready, and I just like to just get rid of all those spring onions. Now guys, I do know that people have different methods of how they do things. This is my method of how I cook my rice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my content. Also follow me on Instagram at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. And remember to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself.